Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sony INZONE M10S and M9 II gaming monitor with DisplayPort 2.1. So friends, Sony has announced the INZONE gaming gear range with INZONE M10S, a 27-inch OLED gaming monitor that is changing the game with super high resolution, 240 Hz refresh rate and 0.03 ms response time and QHD resolution, co-developed with leading esports team Fnatic. The INZONE M10 is designed to be tournament ready thanks to the 24.5-inch playing mode and new FPS Pro mode. And Sony is also introduced the INZONE M9 II and update its 4K HDR gaming monitor with backlit scanning added to improve motion clarity and ultra fast refresh rate up to 480 Hz and 0.03 millisecond illumination motion blur and ultra fast refresh rate up to 480 Hz and 0.03 millisecond eliminate motion blur and achieve the almost motion clarity in QHD 1440p resolution, so you can track enemies quickly and accurately, and the unique self-illuminated OLED pixel react faster than LCD panel, delivering 0.03 ms blur-free response that LCD display simple cannot match. Plus, the QHD convey approximately 1.8 times the amount of resolution of Full HD. You can engage and win and longer range. So, friend, the monitor is white color gamut of DCI P3 98.5% and smooth 10-bit gradation, 1300 nits of peak brightness and 2 lens Array Plus technology as well. Display HDR True Black foreign certification and connectivity ports including DisplayPort 2.1 and HDMI 2.1, and the monitor is perfect for PlayStation 5 and many more devices. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.